Welcome to the Seven Figure Entrepreneurs Club, a place for the folk who dream big and achieve bigger. You will get a chance to meet and learn from the best in the business. This is an elite group of people who only have one mission: become leaders in their business niche. Through social meetings, workshops, and seminars, you will learn seven-figure business ideas, how to transform your passion into a successful business, how to launch, grow, and explode your business, most effective methods of marketing and sales, how to set up sales funnels which will make you money even in your sleep, how to network with the right people, how to dominate your business niche, how to achieve your life's biggest goals, how to enjoy life and your success journey. You will learn all of this from the people who have been there and done it. But beware, we will challenge your limiting beliefs, your fears and self-doubts to unleash your inner genius. Be ready. Dream big, achieve bigger.